Udo, today is 16th of November 2024. Otum and might be home in the prophetic that there's going to be that the blessing will come to Nigeria, but only that blessing will come through an Igbo man becoming a president. That if an Igbo man becomes a president, that Nigerian government, Nigeria will prosper. The economy of Nigeria will prosper. There will be peace in Nigeria. And as I look, I saw in a vision, a prophetic vision of a country as if that every street is painted with gold, and the people in that city were happy and prosperous. And I look, I said, but this is Nigeria. And as I look, I said, how come this president is able to do things that no other president has done in the land since Nigeria got independent? And the door was open, and the man came towards me, and he spoke to me in Igbo language. I said, are you the president? He said, yes, he's the president. And immediately, my eyes was open. So I'm going to prophesy. If Nigeria elect an Igbo man to be president, Nigeria will be like Saudi Arabia. But even I see that there are a lot of people who think that when an Igbo man becomes president, that the Igbo man will help Biafra, will help the realization of Biafra to come. No, that is not going to be possible. But the Igbo man will bring peace and tranquility. As I saw in that vision, the Igbo man brought peace and tranquility in the land. But the problem that I saw is that the Igbo people will not even allow that Igbo man to be as president. The greatest threat we have for that vision to come to pass are not Yoruba people. The greatest threat we have for that vision to come to pass are not Hausa people. The greatest threat we'll have for an Igbo man to be president is Igbo people. And even I saw that after the presidency of that Igbo man, Nigeria will remain peaceful and prosperous. But it shall come to pass in a future, in a far distant future, that one day a man will arise and Biafra will be realized. It shall come to pass.